Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use frames in Miro. So first, sign in and log in to your Miro account and start from scratch. Here on my board, you can see here on the left side the tools. You can scroll until you see the frame. Simply click on frame and here you have a different sizes. A4, letter or short, 16 is to 9, 4 is to 3, 1 is to 1, phone, tablet, and browser. You can even customize the sizes. But as you can see here, there are also a templates. Here you can see a presentation templates, a ready-made for you, or a slide templates. But now, let's start from scratch. I'll choose here the tablet. Here as you can see, you can resize it like that. You can make it bigger or smaller. Now here you can change its color. For example, let's make this one cyan. Also, you can add elements here. You can upload and add a element here. So, what is the main use of frame? Frame can be used to organize things and to lay out things. As you can see, you can also rename this one like this. Simply click on that and you can delete that. You can add frames to organize your browser. For example, I'll add another phone here. I will resize it. There you go. And I can change this color to yellow. So that's the basic use of frame. Just use it based on what you need. And that's basically it.